Good morning from Ban Chan Rayong, Thailand. This is another one of my stops on my way to work. How do I ever get to work on time? I leave early. Love the view up here. Peaceful, surrounded by farms. This morning the local soy dog mafia isn't here, so I stopped. They must have a snack somewhere else. Factory is over there a ways. There's my 110 cc's of Fury sitting down there waiting to propel me to work. Oh, happy Friday, everybody. Hope your weekend is fantastic. It's supposed to be pouring rain Saturday and Sunday here, which I also happen to love. Well, whatever you do today and this weekend, have fun. Like the video if you like it, subscribe to see some more, and comment to tell me what you want to see more of or less of.